extraterrestrial worlds, have been discovered right here on Earth. This astounding insight emerges from a priceless scientific artifact found in northwest Canada, offering compelling evidence that our planet once resembled lifeless spheres like Mars or Venus. A priceless scientific artifact in northwest Canada proves that our planet was once a lifeless sphere, much like Mars or Venus. This treasure is a 4-billion-year-old granite slab, the oldest known rock fragment ever discovered on the planet, according to SciTech Daily. It holds a crucial key to deciphering the era when Earth underwent dramatic transformations to provide the conditions necessary for our existence and that of other living beings today. Among all known celestial bodies in the universe, Earth is the sole planet confirmed to harbor life and is also the only one identified with tectonic activity. The planet's crust is not continuous but consists of around 20 large and small tectonic plates that continually move, causing continents and oceans to repeatedly shift and change over the course of Earth's 4.5 billion-year history. This process is incredibly important for maintaining an environment conducive to life, including a stable atmosphere, conditions that promote the emergence of primitive life, necessary chemical equilibrium, and more. However, the granite slab, studied by a research team led by Professor Li Xianhua from the Chinese Academy of Sciences in collaboration with Australian and Canadian scientists, reveals that Earth did not originate under favorable conditions. It wasn't until about 4 billion years ago, when Earth was around 500 million years old, that it transitioned from being a solid lifeless sphere with a continuous crust, similar to Venus or Mars. This conclusion was drawn through chemical analysis of the granite slab, which showed that the isotopes of silicon, Si, and oxygen, O, the two most abundant elements in Earth's crust, were not consistent with the process of recycling, specifically the absence of heavy silicon isotopes. Because if tectonic activity occurred, the entire surface rock, the covering rock layers, would have undergone significant mixing, kneading, and large-scale recycling. This process, facilitated by a subduction phenomenon, would have caused ancient seabed rich in heavy silicon isotopes to sink into the Earth's mantle, then recycle and erupt as granite in a different location on the planet's surface. The absence of heavy silicon in the granite indicates that Earth had not undergone subduction. After careful analysis, researchers determined that Earth remained relatively quiescent for an additional 200 million years. The 3.8 billion-year-old granite rock represents the rock of life, clearly indicating a previous history of recycling due to tectonic activity. This age determination is a significant and crucial advancement in understanding what drove the planet's transformation as well as how those changes began. Appearance of a monster planet leaves the scientific community astounded. Why did the U.S. take decades to build the Washington Monument? Unexplained phenomenon of the cold tongue occurring in the Pacific Ocean has scientists puzzled.